Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit. Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? What's up, men and gents? Welcome back to another video. Okay, so how you guys doing today? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Anyway, so for today's video, I'm a little late, but that's okay because it's alright. Y'all gonna watch anyway, so it's whatever. But so for today, I just thought of something off the top of my head. This will not be planned. This is just something I came up with because I thought it would be maybe helpful, or maybe help you maybe love your natural texture more. So the other day, I took a shower and I just let the water hit my hair. Well, I let the steam hit my hair. I let the steam get into my hair and I let my hair soften up. And I was like, I need to do this all the time. Like, the steam just makes your hair so soft. And then I thought, like, I don't ever wear my natural texture. I mean, I wear my natural texture, but like I'm always manipulating it. No, I'm always manipulating my hair. So I just thought, like, I think I'm just gonna wear my natural texture, like my raw natural texture. And this is my raw natural texture. As you can see, my hair is huge. Yeah. So that's where this video idea came from. I saw my texture after getting out the shower. It was really like puffy. I feel like us women, black women especially, we should all just accept our natural texture for what it is. So many of us want our texture to be like others' texture, like looser curl patterns. Our curl pattern is not meant to be that way. And honestly, I feel my hair likes it better when I'm not constantly trying to manipulate it. But I manipulate my hair for a good reason, because it's a lot easier to, I guess, manage or like sleep on. It is hard to sleep on this. I feel like I'm sleeping on a huge pillow already, and I got a pillow on my bed. It's just extra cushion. But I just feel like as black women, we really need to like appreciate our texture more. Like, our texture is not like any other, especially the especially the tightly coiled textures. I just really need to appreciate our hair more. Like, our hair is not meant to be loose and curly. I love doing twist outs. I love doing braid outs. But I just realized after a while, like, I didn't like it because it just didn't look right. I don't know. I just didn't really like it. I love my twist out. I know I sound so confusing right now. But I think y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I just enjoy my natural texture more. Like, it's just so much volume. It's so full. I don't have to force it. It just is what it is. So, yeah. So, after that shower, I was just like, I think I'm going to just rock my natural curl pattern more like I used to. Because I used to rock my natural curl pattern before. But I couldn't find anything that would keep my hair moisturized for a long period of time. But now that I know, and now that I know how to deal with my hair, it shouldn't be... Now I know how to do it with my hair, it shouldn't be as difficult to detangle it when I need to detangle it. So I was like, I think I can do this. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. So yeah. So that's what I came up with. If you guys care to know. Yeah. I just think it's important for us to really love our natural hair. You know? Because our hair can do so many things if you really be patient and take care of it, like you take care of your weaves and your lace fronts. Don't get me wrong, I love lace fronts. I love wigs because you get to be a different woman. Okay? You get to be a different woman every day. Okay? So I respect the wigs and the lace fronts. I'm not knocking those. But I'm just saying, we got to learn how to deal with our hair because it's a part of our bodies. So it's like, you got to learn how to deal with it someday. Like, you just can't hide it and put it up and not deal with it. So, yeah, I just feel like we all just need to do that. Be a better place for us black women. Especially black women. Yeah. Keep watching because I kind of want to go over like the benefits of twisting hair versus the benefits of just wearing your natural texture without manipulating it. So keep watching this video because I'm about to go into those. Benefits on both sides. So yeah. Why you gotta be so insecure when I've done all that I could do? We're gonna go into the benefits of wearing a twist out. So a twist out, your hair is stretched. It holds moisture a lot better because your hair strands are clumped together. So that's a good thing, I guess. From what I've experienced, my experience. I don't know if it'd be any of you guys' experiences, girls and guys. But twist outs help hold the moisture. Twist out, stretch your hair so that it doesn't shrivel back up on itself too much. What else? A twist out probably makes it easier to do cute styles because you can maneuver through your hair better because it's not tightly coiled and stuck together like this is. Now, versus wearing your natural texture, the benefits of that. Now, if you want your hair off your shoulder or if you don't want your hair like being too long, if you have long natural hair, this goes for those people. If it's short, it don't really matter, but for like long natural hair women, like when you wear natural hair, it's just easier to get it out the way. You know, like it's not getting stuck everywhere. I mean, for me, I know like when I do twist outs, sometimes I want to wear like a hair wrap or like wrap my hair up and like into a pineapple. And most times I can't do that because my hair is too long. So it doesn't stay in the pineapple. It falls out. And I be wanting it out the way sometimes. But I can do that with my coily texture when I just let it be. So, yeah. And then another benefit of wearing your natural curl pattern. Let me think. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. I gotta think. Oh, another benefit. It's just powerful. Okay? It's powerful. It's like no other. Like no other. Okay? It's like you steal all the attention in the room. Boo boo. Okay? You steal all the attention in the room. They be like, who's that? They be like, oh, can I touch your hair? I be like, no. Stay away. Don't do that. But yeah. And I just feel like wearing your natural curl pattern and not manipulating it, it helps you just accept your curl pattern for what it is. It helps you to love your hair more, you know, when you know that the twist outs don't work. But with the benefits of twist out, you know, you can get definition. You can get definition with your natural texture too, but For me, I'm not doing all that because it's going to take hours and hours and hours and hours. But with twist outs, you can get more definition because you can twist it up. And then you can untwist it and then it'd be all spirally and curly and cute, you know. But honestly, I think my hair just got tired of it. So that's why I just did this. Because I was going to wash it, then I got lazy. So I left it like this. I'm always scratching my nose in my videos. My allergies is just irritating. But anyway. I think that's it. I think that's all I have to say for this video. I couldn't think of any more benefits. I think that's all. I mean, but if you guys have any more, like, let me know. Comment down below. Okay, interact with me. Okay. I'm sorry for this late upload, but I've just been struggling with content. If anybody has any ideas, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section because I could use some suggestions. It can be hair videos. I did see somebody wanted me to do a skin routine. I haven't forgotten about that. I'll do a skin routine, although I don't have one, but I'll make up one for you guys. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you got something from this. You know, let me know. Let's have a comment section in the comment section, okay? I choked on my speech. But anyway, I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Okay, my Nana lovies and gents. Deuces. So, what's up, my Nana lovies and gents? Welcome to another video. Ay, I told you I was lit. Ay, I told you I won't quit. Ay, watch you make this hit.